I basically do a little bit of top-down analysis. Yeah, I go to the higher time frame. I look at the trend on the higher time frame, right? And then I go to the lower time frame. I look for counter trend back into like a retracement, and I look for once that counter trend changes into the original trend or shifts back into the original trend. Like basically, let's say a bearish trend right now, right? In a bearish trend right now. Same thing with bullish trend, basically making higher highs and higher lows, right? Same thing for the what's it called? The bearish trend, lower lows, lower high. Now, one funny thing is this: you see this counter trend, they all look like this, and you see this counter trend, they basically look like this, right? So the plan here is this: once the counter trend, let's us use the bearish this one right here. Once this counter trend, they basically look like this. Once they shift back into the original trend, right? I'm looking for what? Presence of what? Liquidity around here. The market to take out that liquidity, trade into my POI, and then what happened? And then continue the move. This kind of move, right? They are usually explosive. Go and verify. Now I need that liquidity to be present. It's a necessity for me. It's called, you can call it structural liquidity, you can call it inducement, you can call it anything you want to call it. I always call it liquidity, right? The same thing for the bullish side. All these moves right here, this counter trend right here, this one right here, they all look like this. They basically look like this, right? They basically look like this. So until we get that shift, and I want to see a presence of liquidity right there, the market will actually basically take out and then continue the move. That is what I'm trying to do. That's what I'm trying to do. So let's go out to the video. Just want to make this a short video. Just come back to that later. So basically, what you can see right here is that we basically add. You can see we've been bearish for a while from June 2022, right? And then what happened? We made an high right here. So this high was sponsored by this low right here. This low sponsored the break of this high. So what you want to basically, you want to buy in what? In a discount range. To buy in the discount. So we want to see your pattern here, right? The same pattern I showed you guys right now. You should be what you should be buying. And those buys are usually what? Explosive. That is the trick. Right. So right now, as you can see again, we're basically making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, right? Higher highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low, right? The same, or what's it called? The same trick. Then what happened? Just delete on this. As soon as we go back in, this is like the counter trend, right? This is like your counter trend. So as soon as we basically lower lows, lower high, lower lows, lower high, lower lows, lower high, higher low, and then we made what? Higher high. You're expecting what? That retracement, right? That retracement for that continued push. Now, where is the low that sponsored the break of this high? Is it right here? Just use your Fibonacci tool to confirm that you're buying in a discount zone. As you can see, we are below the 50%. As you can see, we are below the what? The 50%, right? So what do you want to do again? You just want to look for your pattern. The same thing we did just now. The same thing again. You just repeat. You just repeat. Now, basically, the market was basically making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, and we've been eating from the buys for a while, right? Higher highs, higher low, higher highs, and see we made a lower low right here. I was basically looking to continue that buy, and then the market took me out and made what a lower low. As soon as the market made that lower low, what were we doing? We now shifted to what? You can see this is a bullish trend, like this is bullish trend, making higher highs and higher lows. And then instantly we started making what? Lower lows, lower high, lower lows, lower high. All you need to do is what? Wait. Or yeah, you just basically wait. Or you scalp some cells along the way, right? Lower lows, higher high. This was the first clue. This was what? The first clue. So what do? Go down to the 1 hour time frame. Go down to the 1 hour time frame, right? And then you just basically you look for the same thing. Your play, your sweep of liquidity right there. This is your inducement, structural liquidity, anything you want to call it, right? And then this is your II right here. So these are our shifts, right? What do you expect the market to come to this POI, taking out this liquidity? If there was no liquidity right here, right, I would not be taking this trade. But that's basically the presence of liquidity, right? And you can see, boom. So I actually took my profit around here on my prop, you understand? And this was a very massive move that should have really capitalized more on. You feel I should really capitalize more on. But you can see the idea. That's the idea. Let me just add in something else. I think. So is that necessary? Anyways, because you can see something right here. So once we made that lower low right here, right, we started reacting from. These are to get buyers, daily buyers, right? We started reacting for what? Daily fair value gaps. So if you see your sell pattern right there, you should have taken it. Now I got one here. This is a daily fair value gap again. You just wait. I got the sell pattern there, and played out until we got that shift, and then the buy pattern continued into the original trend. Now guys, if you really enjoy this video, you can just give me a follow, you can repost for others, and give a like. Thank you, and God bless.